What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. I'm back today, guys, to talk about the Conversion Pros TCP, my main marketing system that I use. I want to give you guys an update on something new they've added, and then just do a quick review on them as well if you're not familiar with them. All right, so follow me. Check this out. All right, the new update real quick. Let's go over to the Facebook group for the Conversion Pros. All right, we've got over 20,000 members in the group. Now, what the new thing is that they've added is every week they have webinars, okay, every Thursday at 7 p.m. So for all you guys that's already members, go log in to your back office. You'll also see a notification there, but you can also go to the Facebook group if you've already a member and get the link so you can register for the webinars every Thursday, okay? And they are great. I checked them out. And what they're doing is going over, Dave does himself, okay? One of the CEOs of the company, he's doing the actual live webinar is training, okay? And he talks about, let me just give you a snapshot of what he talks about. This is the last one that they actually did. Capture pages that convert using traffic packs, okay? So the Conversion Pros itself, he teaches you how to use the system, okay? Designing landing pages that convert. He shows you all this. He does live demos of this stuff. It's really simple, drag and drop. He goes over working leads, how to call the leads, text leads, and leave voicemail messages. He talks about how to split test your pages for the best results. He goes over using transparent images to make high-end pages. Okay, so how to go out and get paid pictures that you can put onto your pages, and how to make money as a TCP and affiliate. Okay, so every week he's been doing this every Thursday at 7 p.m. So get plugged into that, guys, because I know it's a lot of people also that's in the system, a part of the system, and they, even though they have training in the back office step by step, okay, they kind of feel challenged. So now you can be on the live webinars and watch him actually do everything live and answer some of your questions you may have. All right, so check that out. All right, my link is in the description. If you have not joined the Conversion Pros, go check it out. It's free to get started for 2 weeks. You can't beat that, guys. So you can do a full test to see if you really like it before you start paying every month. Okay, so let's check it out. The Conversion Pros, the highest converting funnel in the industry that can make you huge residual income every single month that gets sent right to your bank account. All right, now I took some notes because actually this is really not up to date as you may know it to be, because I was on one of the webinars. They've been around 7 years now. Wow, time flies. Okay, I haven't been with them 7 years, but they've been around for 7 years, and they're in over 270 countries. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then I found out that you can get the system in different languages. Okay, so another great point. Okay, so TCP, love it. I think it's very user-friendly, very newbie-friendly, drag and drop. And they have pages already pre-built if you don't even want to deal with trying to create your own. So why should you get started? Again, it's free for 2 weeks. They give you 14 days for free. Okay, you get access to leads. They now sell traffic also. Okay, we'll go into the back office and check that out. So you can buy leads and traffic from the Conversion Pros, even join it as a free member. Because when you join as a free member, then you will go into the system where you will buy your leads or buy your traffic. But you can get access to this for free. They pay out every Friday. Okay. The system is $50 if you decide to upgrade. It's $50 a month, and they pay you $25 for everybody you refer. So if you just refer 2 people, okay, that keep their membership, your $50 is paid for. Okay, it pays for itself. All right, and you can use this to market any system. This is not a conflict of whatever you're already doing. This is simply a full turnkey marketing system with tools and training that you need anyway to help you promote your business opportunity. What I also love about this thing, it comes with an app. You can download it whether you have a Droid or iPhone. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Marketing system with a free app. All right, now they also offer unlimited capture pages, landing pages. They have unlimited autoresponders, made video easy where you can drag and drop to create your pages. And they have a monthly residual, which I just mentioned, $25 a month. You will make over and over as long as your members stay. You only need 2 people to break even. They have a follow-up system that converts. They have what they call the cookie monster. All the affiliate sites have cookies embedded for lifetime earnings, so make sure you get credit for all your sales. Okay, great deal. Ads written for you, and the possibility of earning 10K a month with the system. There are people that's actually doing it with the system. Comes with all the pages you need to promote this. Okay, one may say, well, I just want to promote this as a business. I don't want to make pages or any of that. Guess what? That's great, because they have the affiliate websites that we share. Well, you don't have to create those. They're already built for you and they're coded to you. So let's go take a look at the back office. Okay, so I am in the members area. Hang on a second, let me move this over. Okay, they have share codes already set up, guys, basically for any industry. Doesn't matter whether you have a brick and mortar business, whether you have a landscaping business, whether you're a car salesman, doesn't matter. They pretty much have all the industries covered here. So they've created capture pages already for you. You don't even have to deal with them if you don't want to. And the share codes are listed. But if you do want to, they have this section here called landing pages. You can build your own. They have affiliate training, tips and tricks, page builder, custom domain, your contact manager with all your leads are going to go in there. All your members, they have a members area for all your members. You'll know who exactly is signed up with you. Autoresponder, the blaster, the broadcaster. I pretty much use that every day where I blast to my list. They have a webinar builder, QR code builder, invoicer, tiny URL links where you can take those long affiliate links and make them short, kind of like a bit.ly. They have that in here, guys. And then the leads. Let's get to that. They have leads. These are people that have actually raised their hand and said, hey, I'm interested in some type of home-based business. So you can go here, join for free, 2 weeks for free. Go back here, you can buy your leads. They have different ones. They have generic business opportunity leads, male and female. They have female only. Live leads, live interview travel leads, and male only business opportunity leads. So you get that. You buy those, you get the name, the full name, the email, and the phone number of these folks. Okay, so you can literally go back here, join a business opportunity, get you 50 leads for $39.60. And this is a great way to duplicate your team. Say someone joins you, you guys can give them your TCP link. They go back here and get 50 people that's already ready for an opportunity. Okay, and you can contact them, call them, you can text them, you can email them. You can get 50 leads out the gate for $39.60. They recently have added traffic. So you may also want to buy traffic. You can go here, buy traffic. You can get 100 clicks for $80. It's pretty competitive with what's already out here. And you just put the link right here. Where do you want your folks to go? Okay, you give them the link, pay your $80, and they'll send them right to that capture page. And they can go right into your TCP system, right? Okay, so you've got everything now under one umbrella. The marketing system, leads, traffic, training, everything under one umbrella, guys. You can get this for free for 2 weeks, or if you already know, hey, this is something I think I want, and I want to promote this and earn $25 over and over and get paid every Friday, you can get started at $50. Okay, $50, you're in. If you already know that, just go ahead and upgrade. If you just want to test it, link is in the description as well. You get 2 weeks to try it out. Or better yet, you try it out and go back here and say, well, I tell you what, I'm going to use this system for 2 weeks. I'm going to buy leads and I'm going to buy some traffic. Okay, so you have a system here, and now we have weekly training on how to use all this stuff, live training. Yes, there's training already recorded under the training section, but now the owner is now doing weekly training, okay, hands-on training. So with that being said, go check this out. Link is in the description for the Conversion Pros. Get your free trial. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.